know the chocolate be eating. It eats on me. Sections of hair, making sure I always have some of the human boho hair attached to my hair. And I just braid it down to the ends, and it's like magic, baby. It does not come loose. The ends are not coming loose. All right, so here's all of the hair. Boho, 3 packs of bulk human hair. And this is in the color number 4. It is 20 inches long, bulk human hair. My hair is already pre-sectioned, so let's get to it. Okay, I have one section done in the back. All right, so really quick update. I have a couple more braids I can get out of this second bundle, and then we'll start on the third bundle. This is day 2 right here. Okay, I have 3 braids left. Y'all know the chocolate be eating. It eats on me. So this is all I have left from the third pack. Split this up so I can divide this. You know how this go. Take some edge control, put it on the ends of the bulk hair. I guess you could say the tip. Comb through it to help separate. Nice little tip. And then we split. And I put it over here on my little pegboard. And I've been using about 7 to 9 sections of hair per braid. And for my roots, I'm using this Gummy edge control. Start off braiding my natural hair, split that up into 3. I pull the first piece of hair out. Continue to braid down, adding in sections of hair, making sure I always have some of the human boho hair attached to my hair. So all 3 legs of my natural hair should end up having a piece of curly hair. See that? 3 sections of the curly hair, and then I start to pull it out and continue to add in pieces of the boho hair. Yeah, like so. You see, this is really simple, really easy to do. Take some of my edge control, add it to my hair as needed to help with like the little flyaways that come out of the braids. And I just braid it down to the ends until I feel like it won't come loose. Somehow it's like magic, baby. It does not come loose. You see the braid gets a little smaller towards the end because I did not add any glue, will not be adding a knot, anything like that. Like it just stays. And there you have it. Like the ends are not coming loose. I get questions, how does it stay? Baby, like magic, it stays. It stays, honey. And she look good, all boho brown. Chocolate. Okay, now listen, I have to share my new obsession. This Bella Croco purse from Teddy Blake. I'm so in love with this bag. It's the perfect mix, both classic and trendy, all in a sleek yet structured design that was crafted in Italy from the finest calf skin, giving this gorgeous crocodile texture. And when you open it, girl, it's a stunning red suede interior with both full-length zipper side pockets to keep everything organized. It's so chic and so practical. What I really love is how versatile it is. The top handles are rounded and sturdy, making it easy to carry by hand or on the arm, making it perfect for both professional and everyday wear. Baby, you can carry it straight from work to dinner and still look bomb. And here's the best part. Teddy Blake worked with the same Italian factories as top luxury brands, but without the insane $1,000+ markup. You're getting true Italian leather, luxury craftsmanship, and a timeless design, all at a fair price. Trust me, once you fill this bag, you will understand my hype. Now go visit teddyblake.com and treat yourself to a little everyday luxury, and thank me later. All right, so this is day 2. Yesterday, I probably worked on it for about 6 hours and only got like the bottom, back, and like 1 row over here done. So I've done majority today. I could have done more yesterday, but baby, I tapped out. I tapped out, honey. And I'll leave a link below to the edge control as well as this pegboard, because doing boho hair, or honestly any type of tedious individual braids, I just think it's a lifesaver to pre-section your hair out. It only holds 60 sections of pre-sectioned hair, but you know, that's better than sectioning out per braid. At least I can do a couple braids at a time. And it is 6:40 right now, and I started my hair about 9 o'clock this morning. In total, I've probably taken an hour break today. So majority of the time, like I said, has went to today. Started at 9, took an hour break, so it's basically 10. So yeah, it's about 9 hours today, plus the 6 from yesterday. Okay. All right, all done. 15 hours later. But I love it. I'm so excited. Look how full it is. Do you see that pony? And this is all of the hair that I have left out of 3 packs. I was trying to make sure I had enough for my entire head. But yeah. Cute little claw clip style. Don't play with me. Okay, so I'm headed out to go to a workout class, and I want to show you guys my hair in a ponytail. It's super cute. I did my edges. We'll see how long they last. They look good for now. And I just did my brows today, and I put on mascara. That's it. Real cutesy. Three packs of hair is perfect. All boho. Messy bun? Nah. Actually, I feel like I need to comb it a little bit. Like, the curls are so defined. I guess from me sleeping on it. And plus, I haven't wet it yet. Let's give it a little life, you know? A little better. All right, I gotta go. Starts at 10, and then it's 9:34, and it's 15 minutes away. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back from the gym, and edges are there for the most part. I'm gonna leave them for today. I think that's fine, but let's see what the hair is giving. Oh, wow. Like, I feel like I should wet my hair. I just hate that I have on this white t-shirt. But, dang it. Well, maybe I can just do mousse. This is by White Rain. Okay, like with me. Got a little shedding here. That's on me. Here we go. The curl pattern look good. The color looks good. Question is, how do I want to wear it today? Do I want to wear it side part, middle part, pull back, middle part, swoop behind my ears, but pull back, that one. Again, this is 3 packs of hair. It look amazing. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this style. So click the link down below to go get this hair here. And also click the link down below so you can go get your Teddy Blake purse. Okay, so I started taking out my hair. If I wanted to save time and I didn't want to save my hair, then I would just cut it right here where my hair ends. However, I do want to save this hair. I love the color, and plus the sections come out just like this. Ready to go for next time because I didn't add any glue. I didn't tie a knot at the end or anything. So I'm able to save this hair, and then come next time when I go to use it, I can just grab a piece, boom. Real easy. And honestly, I have not combed through the curls since I installed them. And look, I'm telling you, this is some really good quality hair. Like, no tangles. Even the pieces I've taken out, like literally no tangles. It's amazing, baby. And I did use product on his hair as well. All right, so here's all of the hair. I just put it in like these little bundles here. Honestly, I should wash this hair and let it air dry, but I'm not. When I go to reinstall it, I will wash it then. There.